She found the journal on the bus, ... And hi lovelies, how is everybody? Just wanted to drop in here and give the winner of the competition. I just want to say thank you to all of you because there was over 100 replies. Like, that's awesome. And I just, yeah, I'm in awe of your imagination. And I guess that's why a lot of you are here, because you're journalists and you know how to write a story or to at least put something down on a page for your journal. So it stands to reason that you were going to write awesome answers. I've had the best week just going through them. I would read each one to my husband and we were like, wow, that's so creative. And we just couldn't believe some of your answers. So I just want to thank you for taking part and being here because it means the world to me. I'm so happy to have found you all. You're my tribe, and it doesn't matter where we are in the world. As women, we need to stick together, don't we? There's a lot going on at the moment. So I hope that this competition just brought a little ray of sunshine to your week and just a little bit of fun that we can all get involved with. I don't often see competitions on YouTube. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that's not something that people do, but yeah, I just wanted to do it and just thank you all. So let's get into the video and we'll see who's won. So I have narrowed it down to 6 people, and then what I did was I kept rereading them and thinking, how am I going to actually choose the winner? Well, what I did was I went back to the original answer that I wrote on a page, and that is how I got the winner for today's competition.
I heard you say you found the story all tucked away in the back of the room, been lost for years, far away from the glory.
I'm not sure if you went through and read any of the comments, but they were all so interesting. And I definitely would have taken the journal home myself. So I'm glad that the winner actually said that in their comment. So let's go and have a look at who the winner is and who that lucky person is that I'm going to post that journal to. A drum roll, please. The winner is Scrowl 1310, and her answer read this way. She found the journal on the bus. There was something so familiar with the red purse it was in, but after her severe memory loss 2 months ago, her past seemed to be just like a hidden shadow of life lived. When she arrived home, she sat with the purse and journal in her hand for a while, and as she touched the pages of the journal, a little smile appeared on her lips and she started writing. I don't know about you, but that is just beautiful. And it fulfilled everything that I was looking for, which was an answer that surprises me. So I really found that answer so creative. And I also wanted it to help me picture what is happening at that particular time. And then it left me wondering how it ends. So I don't know what happened after she started writing. Did it bring back her memory? Did it give her hope to carry on? What was the next sentence? I don't know. So yeah, I just absolutely loved it. And that is the winner. So if you are Scrowl 1310, you haven't left your name, so I can't sort of address you by name. But if you want to leave me a comment under your comment and just tell me your name, and then please go over to Instagram and direct message me on Instagram and we'll get together and I'll post it off to you. So thank you all so much for entering. I really appreciate it. So that's it. That's the winner. And I thank you all again. I really appreciate you being here. In a couple of days, I'm going to drop another video, which will actually be about crafting and journals. So I hope you look out for that. It's actually a really interesting one, a technique used with tea bags. So I hope that you'll enjoy that. I know that some of you might be disappointed you didn't win the competition, but there can only be one winner, I'm afraid. And I hope that you'll all congratulate the winner. And yeah, let's just be really supportive and kind. And as Robin Williams said, be kind always. You just never know what somebody's going through. So thank you again. See you soon in a couple of days for the next video. And take care of yourselves. Take care of anybody around you. Lift up women everywhere, because we've all got to show each other huge support at this time. All right? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Oh,
I heard you say you found the story